Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna install this camera for this printer, QIDI X-MAX 3. So I guess let's get started. So what's inside in this box is this one here. So you get the camera. You got this camera. And also the USB cable, the connectors that you need to connect it here. So just be careful when you connect it, because it is really sensitive. I don't think the connectors here from the inside, the female connector, is strong enough. So as you push the connector inside, make sure you don't force it too much, or else it'll break. It might break. There's a possibility. But on that, this is the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So as you can see here, I already took out the screws behind in this machine for the QIDI X-MAX 3. So make sure that you turn it off first for this machine, and then and then this USB cable for the camera, it goes here to this plug. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the front and then put it inside here, so it goes out here, and then plug it here. So let me just do this really quick. Alright, so now from the front of this machine, camera should be here in this side, and I had this cable all the way at the back, goes here. So as we look behind this machine, this printer, you got this. Now it's out. So, and then we'll plug this here. Alright, that should do it. So, yep, so now the cable is connected, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this camera, get this camera here, kind of unscrew this just a little bit so you have enough space, and then we'll put it this part here, there. Okay, sorry about that. Having a little bit of hard time on putting that in one end, but anyways, as you can see here, this is the camera. I managed to squeeze it in here to this line. Hang on a second. There you go. So this part is really thin, so you can insert it, this part in between that to here. There you go. All right, so that's how it looks like, where it's supposed to be. And this camera, I don't know if you can see it, but it's facing kind of like a 45-degree angle, so it's not like a straight, like a 90-degree. So this will view, take the view of the of your whatever you're printing in a in that angle. So yep, I think I got them all, and all I have to do is just tighten this up
Make sure it's fully tight so it won't fall off. And then it comes with these 3 stripes for strap. Sorry. So just to make sure that you strap in this area here. Kind of helps out to keep it in place along with these wires. So you're gonna strap it so that way it'll keep off from this metal beam. So, all right, let me just do this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't manage to install it, so I managed just to tighten them up. Those 2 screws and the camera. So I have that wire all the way down and use those straps. Next to that, the red and black wire for the fan wire, and the other one, the second one strap, and one over there too, the third one. So you got that 1, 2, oh yeah, and then 3 right there. Yep. So yep, and then don't forget to remove the sticker here. Yeah, the cover or the protector. There you go. So I don't think that it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea to touch those lenses because of the the fingerprints. So I guess always keep it clean. Anyways, let's go ahead and take the, and I think that's it. That's how you install it. Other than that, that's every part of it on how to install the camera. So everything's connected, and all I have to do is just put this cover back in, and hopefully it works fine. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this, just hit like and subscribe if you can. Thank you. Goodbye.